Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're new here, we're all about helping you discover top-notch beauty and travel essentials. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to make your trips a lot more organized and stress-free. It's the Travel Hanging Toiletry Bag for women, designed to keep your toiletries and accessories neatly packed for long journeys. Whether you're heading on a cruise, to the gym, or just looking for a reliable travel companion, this could be the solution you've been searching for. Let's get into the details. The Travel Hanging Toiletry Bag features 4 toiletry storage compartments, along with a dedicated jewelry section, which is perfect for keeping your valuables separate from your cosmetics. The bag is spacious, measuring 12.5 inches in length, 10 inches in height, and 4.5 inches in width when fully loaded. It can hold up to 8 full-size toiletries, plus makeup products, so there's no need to worry about running out of space for your essentials on long-distance trips. Inside, you'll find elastic bands that help keep bottles and items in place, preventing them from tipping over and causing a mess. The bag also includes a 360-degree metal hook that allows you to hang it easily, offering convenient access to everything inside. As for real-world usage, I had the chance to take this bag on a trip, and here's how it performed. Setting it up was a breeze. Whether it was hanging from a towel rack in the bathroom or resting in my suitcase, I appreciated how easy it was to access my toiletries. The transparent pockets inside made it simple to spot what I needed without fumbling around. The added jewelry compartment was a thoughtful touch, keeping my necklaces and earrings safe and organized. One of the standout features is the detachable bottom bag, which can be removed for those who need a more compact option. I also really liked the trolley strap that allowed me to attach it to my suitcase, making it super easy to roll through the airport without worrying about carrying an extra bag. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the pro side, the size and layout are fantastic for both short and long trips. It really lives up to its name as a great organizer. The elastic bands and metal hook are functional and help keep everything in place. The fact that it can also be used as a standalone bag, thanks to its detachable bottom section, adds to its versatility. The craftsmanship feels solid, the zippers are smooth, and the PU handle is comfortable, even during long stretches of use. On the flip side, there are a couple of areas where it could be improved. While the bag holds a lot, it might feel bulky if you're a minimalist or traveling light. If you don't need to carry that many items, you might find it a bit larger than necessary. Additionally, the bag's design might not suit everyone's aesthetic tastes, especially if you prefer more streamlined or neutral-looking accessories. When it comes to value for money, this toiletry bag sits in the mid-range for its category. Given its durable construction, ample storage, and thoughtful design, it feels like a good investment for someone who frequently travels or needs extra storage space for gym trips or business travels. However, if you're looking for something ultra-compact or less expensive, you might want to explore simpler alternatives that sacrifice some features for a lower price. If we compare this to other products in its category, there are similar toiletry bags on the market that offer comparable storage, but few have the added benefits of a dedicated jewelry compartment and the removable bottom section. Some bags are slightly cheaper but lack the versatility of this one. So if those added features are a priority for you, this bag definitely stands out. In terms of build quality, the materials used in the construction of this bag seem solid. The zippers function smoothly, and the fabric feels durable, suggesting this bag will hold up well over time. The reinforced stress points are a nice touch to ensure longevity. As for customer support, I didn't need to reach out to the brand, but based on its reputation, it's safe to assume they stand behind their products, providing reliable service in case any issues arise. Now, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, there are smaller, simpler toiletry bags that offer decent storage, but won't have the same organizational features or versatility that this one offers. To wrap it up, the Travel Hanging Toiletry Bag for women is a solid choice if you're looking for a well-designed, spacious, and versatile bag for all your travel essentials. It offers great organizational features, thoughtful craftsmanship, and durability. While it may be a bit bulky for those who pack light, it's perfect for anyone who values organization and needs space for their toiletries and accessories. If you travel often, this is definitely worth considering. And before we go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful, subscribe for more tips, and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from Beautyistic. Thanks for watching, and remember, travel smart, pack smart, and stay beautiful. Until next time.